Mishi from MishiWorld, and today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome calm down jar. It's really easy and fun, so let's get started. For this calming jar, you would need some glitter, a bottle of glue, a jar and something to mix with, and hot boiling water. I filled up hot boiling water with adult supervision. Fill the water till here. Next, I will use clear glue. If you want, you can put the whole bottle, but I'm putting half of the bottle. Next, you will need to mix up the hot boiling water and the glue with a stir. Keep mixing till you no longer see the glue at the bottom. Now you need to mix all the stuff together with a skewer or anything you have to mix with. I'm putting more glue because the glitter is settling down too fast. Keep mixing till all the glitter is mixed up. Hot glue the jar and then put the lid on top of it so nobody can open it. I hot glued the cap to the jar, so now I'm gonna put these glitter beads on. If you don't want to put these, you can just leave it like this and enjoy, but I'm gonna put these on. My calming jar is ready. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.